Hi guys, today I will take a program for GCD. How to find GCD of two numbers. So I will write code for GCD. First of all, I will take another page. So here I have to make program GCD or HCF. GCD or HCF. I have to count that. To find that, first of all, I will discuss about what is GCD. GCD, if I take an example, let's suppose I have two numbers 9 and 15. Then GCD are those numbers which are factors of greatest factor of 9 and 15 both. Then factors of 9 will be 1, 3, 9. And factors of 15 will be 1, 2, 3, and 5 and 15. So here I have to take greatest common factor. That means I have two common factors here. First was 1 and second is 3. So which factors is greatest? I have to take. This will be GCD or HCF. So how I will write this code in Java? Let's understand. So first of all, I will take two numbers from user or we can take from the method. So I am taking from the method void main. I am creating a class GCD and here making main method, writing code for main method. So if first of all I have to take two numbers input from user, then I have a way to input text. Here I mention int a, int b. If I will write this, then when the main method will execute, it will take two values a and b from the user. So now I have to count HCF. To count HCF, I have to use loop. So I will take for loop. I will take for loop and it will start from 1 int I assign 1 and you can take it will be or a which you want. So I will take I is less than or equal to a and I plus plus. It will take all the values of I 1 to a. That means which two numbers are given, you have to take run loop 1 to, you can run a or b as you want. Now here I will write if. In the if statement, this is the important statement. I will write if a modulo I equals to 0 and this is logical and b modulo I equals to 0. That means both are statements are simultaneously correct. That means both are together correct. It will be also true. Then I want what I assign GCD. I have take here one variable in the main method GCD int GCD. I am declare here and I am putting here GCD in the GCD I. After that, I close if statement. After that, I will close for loop, and after that, I will print system.out.println value of GCD. I can write in the short form SOP system.out.println SOPLN I GCD. I can also write GCD is plus GCD, and now I will close main method and class also. Then I hope this program is helpful for you. Thank you.